Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these clear storage boxes right over here. Really like these a lot. These are going to be great for shoes, purses, all that kind of stuff, hats. I'm going to show you exactly how to put it together. The instructions right over here are kind of vague. I had a little trouble putting this one together, but it's also because I didn't really know what I was doing. But once I figured it out, it took like literally 2 minutes to put together. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, all the pieces, and answer all your questions. So this is exactly how they're going to come right over here. You're going to get two of these. I got the 6-pack. So this has 3 boxes right over here. And the other pack has 3 boxes. So this is kind of what we get right over here when we look at it. So this is going to be the pieces. These are the side pieces. These each are different. So note that one is for the inside and one is for the outside. This right here is going to be the door. It kind of has like a little magnetic closure, which is really nice. These are going to be the pieces that help stack all this together. And then this right here is going to be one of the sides as well. So we're going to take 2 of these to get going. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put one of these down just like this. We want to make sure everything lines up and snaps in. So what we're going to do, you'll see each one of these panels right here is labeled inside. So you know exactly where to put them. And you want to make sure they line up. So you'll see these snaps right over here need to go into a hole over here. So what you're going to do right over here, for this side right over here, we're just going to line that up and you're going to hear it snap in. Now, you're going to want to make sure you do the same for the outside. This is the mistake I made the last time. So this piece right here is saying inside, and you'll notice there's no snaps on here. So that's the wrong side over there. So this piece right over here is going to be our correct one to line up. So let's do that right now. All right, so we have that piece lined up. This snaps in just like this. Now, your next move right over here is going to be to take this piece right over here. And we want to line it up with the back side over here because these are going to fold up and down. So we're just going to put this right over here, just like that. We're just going to line it up nice and easy. You'll hear it snap just like that. Same on this side right over here. We're going to get that. Just got to get it lined up just like that. And you'll see this is all snapped in. And this is just going to shut like that. Now we're snapped in just like that. Super easy, really easy to put in. And now we have our door right over here. And we're literally just going to snap this on. I'm going to just put it like this. It's just easier for me to do. Just like that. And then we're line that up. And then you're going to hear it snap together. Just like that. You might want to just give it a little force. And then we have our box right over here. And it just opens like that. So now let's see some stuff inside these. All right, so I'm a size 13 shoe right over here, men's. And this is a Kate Spade bag right over here. Pretty much a decent sized bag. We're going to see what happens here. So this right over here, what we're going to do, we're just going to open it up just like this. And then I'm just going to put this one this way right over here. I'm going to put this one right over here. And let's see if it closes. So we're just going to shut it like that. It does fit really nicely. Actually perfect. I don't know if you'll get more than a size 13 in here. This is a men's size as well. So this is, you could also have different use cases for this as well. And then they're going to stack on top of each other like this. You're just going to use these little pegs. You're going to put them up here. You'll see there's a little hole over there. And then they're going to stack on top of each other. So I'm going to show you another pair of shoes. These are going to be my girlfriend's shoes. So right here, these are flats right over here. So you'll see here, you could easily get 2 pairs of shoes in here, maybe even 3. Even like kind of like this, you'll see that right over there. You could easily stack more than that. So I'd say a men's size 13 is going to just fit 1 in there. For some women's shoes, it's going to be a little different. Plenty of space for a high heel as well. And then if you kind of want to do some purse storage right over here, you'll see over here, we can just put this in just like that. No big deal. And I'd say this is like a decent sized purse. And it does shut just like this. So you can kind of see that. It's nice that it's clear as well, so you can see exactly this is a black pocketbook or whatever, and these are my shoes right over here. So if you're looking in a closet, you could have them just side by side, just like this. Really nice, easy to put together. I like the fact that they're clear, they're stackable. Again, they are 13.5 by 10.5 by 7.2 on the high side. I do like that they have an easy open right over here. You'll see it just like opens just like that. Nothing crazy at all. You don't really have to pull at or anything like that. So if you're looking for some great clear storage containers for shoes, for purses that are easy to put together, that are stackable, and are just really, really nice, that are easy to open, can hold high heels and all that stuff, definitely check these out. They are absolutely awesome. And I'm going to be putting a ton of shoes in them. My girlfriends are probably going to put a lot of purses in them. So go grab these. They work really, really well.